pack these clothes because hubby needs to use this bag. He's traveling. Hi guys, welcome. So in today's video I'll be arranging, decluttering and deep cleaning my fridge. Okay, right now I am arranging my tea sections where I keep my tea because it's good to be organized and the rest. So instead of me leaving it in the pack, I'll just keep it in this bottle, and it's also always close to my cup and also close to where I boil my hot water and the rest. Yeah, so after this I'll move to the next section, which is to also put the sugars where I always keep my sugars. PS, this clip was supposed to come up before the one I unboxed the new setting spoons, okay, but technical issues, but this video is gonna be added to this one, so please keep on watching. So if you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Jessica Chunovek. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, Abuja. I'm a mom of one. I'm married to a Slovak. If this is what you're interested in, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. So this is what my fridge looks like. I want to deep clean it, and I have finished cleaning and the rest because I removed everything and washed it, and this is what it looks like. It looks so clean and so fresh. So I will also be restocking, like I restocked back the fridge and the rest. This is what we have. Okay, so after this I'll be doing my juice, which you guys will see in the next clip, so please keep on. So guys, I've been feeling a little bit bloated, so I decided to do this juice because I was not understanding my stomach anymore. If you check my last video where I did what we eat in a day, you saw over there that I felt my stomach looked a bit big. I was so bloated, I don't understand. So I decided to do this detox juice, and which really helps. So I'm using cucumber and cabbage. Okay, cabbage helps for weight loss and the rest. So I'm just going to be blending all these ingredients together. I added some ginger inside and I added orange, but if you have lemon you can add lemon or lime, but I had orange in the house, so it's also citrus, so I just decided to add the orange I have. Yeah, so I'm going to be blending all this, and we'll turn this into juice. Okay, so please keep on watching. So after blending, I will save this. Okay, if you have a juice machine, that one is good. It's much easier for you. You don't need to do this way I'm doing my own. So after I save, I will also put it back in a blender and blend it again so I get a smooth chaff. Okay, then I'll squeeze out all the juice, then I'll put it in my container. This really helped me out with my bloated stomach. It really helped out. Like guys, after I drank this, I went to use the restroom, and you know what happens there. Yeah, so I'll just strain this, and so I'll be using this storage bottle to store my juice, and I'll keep this in the fridge. I took this for 5 days, and guys, this really helps. It really worked magic in my belly of being bloated.
Stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story.
So So guys, this is the next juice I'll be doing. I'll be using this watermelon, okay? Then I added pineapple, apple, and ginger. This combination is really, really amazing, okay? This was for just like my midnight snack. Instead of me eating in the night, I drank this. You know guys, I'm on a weight loss journey and the rest, so instead of me eating something at night, I drank this, and I decided to share it with you all because this really it's amazing. Yeah, so the green juice I did was for the bloated, for to stop my, not stop, to shrink my bloated. Like I could not imagine me being that bloated in that video. When I was editing it, I had to edit it like that, so I had to do this juice and it works. And when I drank it, I was so amazed by how my tummy went down. Hormone imbalance, and then you trying to lose your baby weight or normal weight, it's not easy. Like it's really it affects your mental health and the rest, but we move.
You, cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, baby, yeah, I only want you.
I see who is here. She came for makeup, so I'm just doing like, and madam has woken up, so let's go. So guys, this is the look. Let me know in the comment section what do you guys think. Yeah, she's an amazing YouTuber. Please subscribe to her channel, check her out. I'll write her name. This is Belly's blog. Guys, we are done and dusted. Thank you. So I was meet. Her daughter is having a birthday, so it's gonna be a joint vlog. Yeah. So see you guys in the birthday. Bye. Bye. I need to pack these clothes because hubby needs to use this bag. He's traveling, so I need to look for a way to fix baby's girl's clothes, baby clothes, for maybe brother or sister. Yeah, so let's go. You're growing so fast, baby. So cute. So she didn't wait for long. Baby fever. So I'll finish packing all these guys and I'll come talk to you guys. Oh guys, I just saw this now. This was me. I'm having baby fever. Oh my god, I'm feeling baby fever. Now I want a newborn baby. I don't want a toddler again. I want a newborn baby. So guys, I want to clean. Come on for you. Deep clean this drawer. And this one. Remove what I don't need, and yeah.
On today's breakfast, prepare some bread to
my feet,
some eggs,
like
bread with baby and peanut butter. It's a beautiful Sunday morning, and that is the breakfast we are going to take.
yeah, that'd be nice. What did I say? What? Give me this. Give me. It's dicey. Don't be like that. Nylon. It's like this. Where the packer is? Where the packer is? Yeah, packer. No, bring the nylon. Yeah, you brought packer. Thank you. She brought packer for me. Not for yourself. Hey, don't make this a motto. Leave that place. Carry your sandals. Yeah, let's go.
So guys, I've removed everything from the drawer and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to be cleaning all days. Like, yeah, that's what I'll just be doing, deep cleaning and rest. So what I'm using to clean it is a small rag. Then inside the rag I put this soap detergent inside, yeah, just in case I want to keep anything inside there. I don't want it to smell different. I want it to smell nice and fresh. Yeah, I'm just going to be deep cleaning this. And as I said earlier on, I was just having like baby fever, baby swing. I don't know whether it's my period or I don't know, Jerry. We'll see. If the period drop, it drop. If it turn to begin, it turn to begin. Yeah, so this is just me deep cleaning my space, Jerry. I've been liking this deep cleaning. Like, I love to clean my house, but I don't really film it. But ever since I started filming, I just have this joy. People enjoy watching cleaning videos. So anytime I'm doing a cleaning, like deep cleaning my space, I'll just film it for you. Please let me know in the comment section what kind of videos, because I'm running out of video ideas. So please let me know in the comment section what kind of videos you want to watch next, so I can film it for you.
Hey, Queen. Girl, you have done it again. Constantly raising the bar for us all and doing it flawlessly. Look at you, singing a beautiful medley that brings the world to its feet, basking in your radiance each time you make your presence known. Your voice holds a power that no one can deny. So use it loudly, boldly, wisely. Never, ever forget the power it holds. Continue chasing your dreams, because it is never too late to see it come to fruition. Just keep doing you, sis. And these haters, and their hater hate, oh, won't know how to act. Trust me. So get on up. Get up. Hold your head high and push forward, because your breakthrough, is right around the corner. And remember, you are definitely 100% that queen. That's right. Hey, queen.
So guys, that stuff is not going to remove. It needs like a screw, a sharper screw, I don't know. wine and whatever, I'll tell hubby to bring something so that we can remove that. So guys, I have covered this place, so I can now put whatever I want to put here, and looks clean now. Yeah. Another thing, guys, I said I'm having baby fever. I don't know. I called hubby and we spoke, and he said something, and I started being emotional. Like on a normal day I would laugh about what he said, but I started being emotional. Yeah, baby, I started being emotional, guys. I don't know. Hey, are we expecting? Because I'm having baby fever here and there. I don't know, guys. I just finished giving baby girl a shower. That is why her hair is like, and I use coconut oil thanks to the tip from a fellow YouTuber and also a mom creator. You guys saw her already. She came for a little makeup. Yeah. Also has kids. She also have Miss Baby just like me. So she uses coconut oil on her daughter and her son's hair. And she said I can use it for me as hair since her hair is always dry. So guys, keep on watching.
So guys, this is me sorting out my dresses and the rest. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. Turn up the notification bell so that you notify whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. I'll catch you all in my next one. Sign off from here. Bye.